Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on directional derivative. Let us solve the problem. Find directional derivative of phi is equal to xy square plus yz square at point 1, 2, minus 1 in the direction of the normal. It is in the direction of the normal to the surface x square y plus y square x plus z square y is equal to 2 at point 1, 1, 1. And therefore, to find the directional derivative, we use that given information. Here given is phi is equal to xy square plus yz square. We call this as equation 1. Then grad phi is that del operator is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, which way to operate on phi. Phi is here xy square plus yz square, and then operating it on that function phi, we get it is equals to, therefore grad phi is equals to dou by dou x of xy square plus yz square into I plus dou by dou y of that function xy square plus yz square into j plus partial derivative of that term with respect to z of xy square plus yz square into k, and then obtaining that partial derivatives. While differentiating with respect to x, we have to consider y and z constant, and therefore it is equals to, its derivative with respect to x is y square, its derivative is 0, therefore y square into I. Then differentiating it with respect to y, keeping x and z constant, we get 2xy plus z square into j. Then differentiating it with respect to z, we get its derivative 0, its derivative is 2yz into k. Then we determine its value at the point 1, 2, minus 1, we get. Therefore, grad phi at point 1, 2, minus 1 means substituting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to minus 1 in this result. 2 square, we get 4i. Then 2 into x, x is 1, y is 2, and plus z square is minus 1 square into j, and plus 2yz, 2, y is 2, and z is minus 1 into k. And therefore, we have, simplifying it, we get 4i, 2 to the 4, 4 plus this 1, we get 5j, and this is 2 to the 4 into minus 1, we get minus 4k as equation number 2. This is the gradient of that function phi. Then in next step, we require to find out that vector which is along the normal to that surface, and that vector along the normal is obtained by finding its grad. A bar be the vector along the normal to the surface and that surface equation is x square y plus y square x plus z square y is equal to 2, and therefore considering that function as f, a scalar function f, as x square y plus y square x plus z square y minus 2, function of x, y, z, and therefore that vector a bar is nothing but grad of this function f at that point 1, 1, 1, and therefore it is again del operator is I dou by dou x, j dou by dou y, and k dou by dou z, which we have to operate on that function f. F is here x square y plus y square x plus z square y minus 2, and then finding its derivative with respect to x, y, z, partial derivatives, we get it is equals to differentiation of this with respect to x is 2xy, its derivative is y square, and its derivative is 0 into I. Then differentiating with respect to y, keeping x and z constant, we get its derivative with respect to y is x square, its derivative with respect to y is 2yx or 2xy, and derivative of the third term is z square into j, plus differentiating that term with respect to z, keeping x and y constant, we get its derivative 0, its derivative is also 0. The derivative of the third term is 2yz into k. And then we determine its value at that point 1, 1, 1. And therefore, that vector a bar is grad f at point 1, 1, 1 is equals to we have. Therefore, it is 2 into 1 into 1, that is 2. 2 plus 1 square, we get 2 plus 1 as 3i. Then 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, we get 4j. And y and z as 1, 1, therefore it is 2 into 1 into 1, we get 2k. And we call this equation number 3. This is the vector along which we require to obtain the directional derivative, and then applying that formula to find directional derivative. Directional derivative is obtained by formula del phi means grad phi dot a cap unit vector along that normal, and here it is that unit vector is nothing but that vector a bar divided by its magnitude, and then substituting the values, we substituting values of that del phi, grad phi, and that vector a bar, we have directional derivative is equals to grad phi is 4i plus 5j minus 4k, and that vector a bar is 3i plus 4j plus 2k, and divided by its magnitude. Magnitude is obtained by x square plus y square plus z square. Therefore 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and 2 square is 4. And then performing that dot product, it is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3, we get 4 3s are 12, 5 4s are 20, and 4 2s are 8 minus 8. divided by root of 16 plus 4, 20 plus 9, we get root of 29. And then simplifying it, we get that final answer as it is 12 plus 12, 24 divided by root of 29 units as the final value of the directional derivative or the answer for that directional derivative. In my next video, I will discuss another important point from that vector calculus, a divergence of vector function. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to get new updates or new videos. Thank you. Thank you very much.